So before going to start, what do you know about the limits? Actually, the common mistake done by the students, whenever you are taking it, that 1 by 0 or any number by 0 whenever you are taking it. What is 1 by 0? It is not defined. If I am asking, some of the students will say that, what is sin 90 degrees? What's the value of sin 90 degrees? 1. Okay. Cos 90 degrees? 0. Secant 90 degrees? Undefined. But whenever you see that in some books are some infinities, but that is completely wrong. Infinity is different from undefined. I think I told you in the previous classes also, if you are aware that. So what is the difference between these two things? Actually, the limits concept is going to be come from with this one. Actually, limit is nothing but whenever you are taking a function into the consideration, limit x tends to some number 2, x square plus 2. This is one function. This is one function, x square plus 2, and limit, we read this one as a limit x tends to 2. Limit x tends to 2 of the function x square plus 2. It is what the meaning of this one means. Whenever x value is approaching 2,
so
very close to 2, so the value of x square plus 2 will be what? It's near to 2. Maybe it is less than 2 or maybe it is greater than 2. Maybe it is less than 2 or maybe it is greater than 2, near to 2. That is nothing but when it is approaching to, x is tends to, it's tending to 2, number 2. Okay. If you get confused, or tends to 2 say 2, 4. If it is tends to 4, then what is the value of this one? Normally, whenever you take that, the value of the 4 will be substituted there, and 18 you are going to get it. इंक खत्म हो गया, उसमें इंक होता है, ये So, limit x tends to 4, x square plus 2 is nothing but when x is approaching the number 4, then what is the value of the x square plus 2? So, obviously, whenever you take it directly, you can substitute this value, and approximately whenever you take it, that is nothing but whenever you take limit, just you see that limit x tends to 0, 1 by x value what?
Undefined.
Not undefined. Infinity. What is meaning of this one? Means you check this one. Okay. You take the table here into the consideration. X value whenever it is not 0 exactly. It is near to 0. It is near to 0. Near to 0 is nothing but let us take into consider the value whenever it is big value. Let us take 100. You take into consider. First 100 let us take into consider. Then 1 by x value 1 by 100. 1 by 100. So 0.01. So when it is 10, x value is 10. It is approaching to 0. So 100 से मैं decrease करते जा रहा हूँ. I am decreasing the value of x and approaching the value of 0. First 10 करता हूँ, उसके बाद 5 करता हूँ. Next 4, 3, 2, 1. Then after 0.5, 0.4, 0.2, 0.1, 0.00000001. So I am 100 से लेके what I am doing? First 100 I have taken. So when the x value is 100, 1 by x value is 0.01. When x value is 10, the 1 by x value is 1 by 10. That is value is 0.1. When x value is 5, 1 by x value is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 value is 0.2. When x value is 4, the value of the 1 by x is 1 by 4. 0.25. X value is 3, then the 1 by x value is 0.333. 3333 and so on. 3 bar, 0.3 bar you are going to get. When x value is 2, 1 by x value is 1 by 2, 0.5. So what you can observe here? Small number. 0.5. X value 1 means 1. X value 0.5 means 1 by x value 1 by 0.5. The value is 1 by 0.5 is equals to what? 2. Because 10 by 5 you are going to give it. That is 2. And if x value is for 0.4, 2.5. Yes. The value is 2.5. If x value is 0.2, it is 5. X value is 0.1, it is 10. When x value is this one, very big number you are going to get. Still, you decrease the value but not 0. Decrease the value near to 0. Decrease the value near to 0, but not exactly 0. So when you go on decreasing the value, this value is going on increasing. 1 by x value. So it is going on increasing and very big number you are going to get. Here whatever is, how much small means, you are going to take the smallest number which is near to 0. Which is near to 0, 0.00000 100 times 1. So very big number you are going to get. So that big number, whatever you are getting, we cannot say particularly exactly the value is this one. So that's why it is given that is set as it is infinity. The number means infinity is what here? It is not a number. It is a one symbol used to represent the what you are saying. So this is the advantage of offline class. You are thinking somewhere else here and there, and we can catch you. Okay, so you ask your friends, old students, about my classes. Okay, till now you have done no need to get fear about that. Means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वो डरता है. मैं ऐसा भी नहीं हूँ. वो क्या बोल रहे हैं, उतना सुनना नहीं. I'm very friendly, but thing is that you need to concentrate on your classes. That is the one thing. Okay, so 1 by x infinity. Infinity is what here? This is not a number. It's not a number. It is a one symbol which is used to represent the. हम लोग बोलते हैं बहुत बड़ा नंबर. कितना बड़ा? छोटे बच्चों को बोल दिया तो इतना बड़ा होता है. कुछ बच्चे बोलते हैं इतना बड़ा होता है. कुछ बच्चे बोलते हैं इतना बड़ा होता है. Something different. They will use the symbols to represent that, isn't it? कुछ बच्चे ऐसे ही बोलते हैं ना, कितना चाहिए, कितना चॉकलेट चाहिए बोलते हैं, इतना चाहिए बोलते हैं. और कुछ बच्चे ऐसे घुमा के बोलते हैं इतना चाहिए बोलते हैं. So the big number represent करने के लिए एक represent करेगा. But in mathematics to represent that very big number, it cannot be said normally this one, this very big number. So that is represented by infinity. A symbol is used for the infinity. So limit extends to 0, 1 by x. Now this is okay. So now coming to the point, if limit extends to 2, 1 by x minus 2. It is also infinity you are going to get. So this is a basic concept of the limits. Whenever you are taking, means limit is nothing but. कैसे होगा? Normally check like this only. You take the values. X value you take 1 by x minus 2. Calculate करके जाओ. You take the x value very big number. Sorry, very small number near to 0. And 1 by that negative number you are going to get it. See here, this number, okay, you may get out. Sir, if you take x value, this one, 1 by 0.000001 minus 2. This is negative number you are going to get. Means 1 by minus 1.999999 and we are going to get it. Isn't it? When you subtract that minus, you are going to get 1 minus 1.999 and you are going to get it. And when you take this value, negative number you are getting. But negatively on the number whenever you are taking into consider, this is, we are going to get it, this number 0. Infinity, so negatively big number we are going to get it. When you are going to get it. So the symbol whenever you are means here this is a representation whenever you are taking into consider the 1 by x minus 2 whenever you take it consider what value you are going to get it. Nearly infinity. So that is the thing you have to. And other model problems whenever you are taking, so suppose some questions will be given to you like this. In the limits and derivatives, this is limits concept. With the help of the limits, you are going to have the derivatives. The first exercise you are having only the limits progress. Before going to the first exercise, you need to have the sandwich theorem will be. So before that sandwich theorem, the minimum thing is you need to know that limit suppose x tends to 2, x square minus 4 by x minus 2.
So x tends to infinity.
This value you are going to take it as a normally you may consider 2 if you are substituting in the denominator 0 you will get something by 0 we will get it as a infinity something by 0 undefined. So limit x tends to 2 wherever you take undefined but not this one. This value will be equals to 4. This value will be equals to 4. Why? Because whenever you take into consider in this situation you substitute the value of 2 in this function, not exactly 2. First you substitute the value of 2 in this function. When you substitute the value of 2 in this function, then it becomes
something like
undefined. It becomes undefined. But here the question is not that one. What is the question? When the x is approaching the number 2, then what is the function value of x square minus 4 by x minus 2? So it consumes a time. And if you are really interested, using a calculator or anything, 2 ka nearby value substitute karke, just like a table I have formed. Like that, here x value and here x square minus 4 by x minus 2 value. You go on to substituting the values and you check nearby value of 2, 1.999999 substitute. What do you get this one? 3.999999 you will get. So that is not exactly that one, it is near to 4. So that is nothing but, in both the cases, not exact value we are getting. The limit x tends to 2, x is approaching to 2 means this function value will be equals to 4 here. And that can be done in easiest way that, for what value of x is becoming 0, limit x tends to. If you want to solve this problem, limit x tends to 2, x square minus 4 by x minus 2. And this can be written as limit x tends to 2, x square minus 4 can be written as x minus 2 into x plus 2 by x minus 2.
So a plus b minus b.
Yes, a plus b into a minus b. Now this limit x tends to 2 is x plus 2. Now this function value directly you can substitute here. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. The value is 6. After learning the concept means originally the what is a value means like this you have to substitute and you have to check it. That's called as a limit. So limit concept is this one. And in the limit you are going to have the left hand limit and right hand limit. If both left hand limit and right hand limit both are equal only, then you can say that the limit exists. In some cases, limit does not exist. So limit of the some particular function at particular value does not exist in some cases. So at what cases exist? If the left hand limit and right hand limit, if it is equal only. So what is meant by left hand limit and what is meant by right hand limit? Actually, these are the things you are not going to have in your physics. Physics में ये सब कुछ नहीं होता है. That's what I told you. If you need only for the physics subject, whatever it is needed, in the other way, this is completely I'm giving the basic of the limits. Actually, idea of the limit from where it came into force. From there, I am taking into consideration. Okay. So, what is meant by left hand limit and right hand limit? I am going to explain to you by taking you one simple problem here into consideration, so that easily you can understand. In your textbook, open the question number With the example,
सर किसी भी नंबर का लिमिट वो किसी का क्लास में होना चाहिए लिमिट ऑफ एक्स
yes, what you are asking?
सर आपने जैसे कि अभी मेरे को एग्जांपल देके दिखाया इसलिए फंक्शन का एक लिमिट सर लिमिट का मतलब क्या होता है
But that's what I told. A limit का मतलब
सर सर मेरे को ये बोला कि सर आपने जैसे कि दिखाया कि बहुत सारे नंबर्स के बीच में से हम अगर बहुत ही स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर लेंगे तो उसको क्या लिमिट बोलते हैं उस रेंज को
रेंज को नहीं, लिमिट ऑफ द वन फंक्शन. फंक्शन को एक लिमिट होता है. One function will be taken into consideration. So one function will be, you ask whatever the road you are having by setting up. Okay, limit of the one function when the variable is approaching the value of some value. When the variable in that function, suppose you are taking sin theta, the variable in this theta varies from the some different values, means angle can be taken different angle. So when the theta is approaching some other angle, then what is the value of the sin theta? Means exactly not nearby value. What do you get? Actually, in the previous all the situations, not exactly. Limit whenever you are taking, limit x tends to a, f of x is nothing but when the x is approaching to the value of a, what is the value of f of x? F of x is a function. It may be any trigonometric function, an algebraic function, or any type of the function. Maybe sin x by cos x or sin x plus 2 cos x. Like that, any trigonometric function also it can be. So when the x is approaching to the value of a, so what is the value of f of x? Okay. So this is, and in this different problem, whenever you are taking a different problem is concept to understand it clearly. Left hand limit and right hand limit concept. I am going to take the one problem from your textbook itself. In the exercise 25th problem you take into consider, just to understand the concept of left hand limit and right hand limit. This is different problem. Okay, that's why I have chosen this one problem so that easily you can understand the concept. So what is the question asking to you? Limit x tends to 0, f of x. Limit x tends to 0, f of x. You need to find out. This you need to find out where f of x is equals to mod x by x if x is not equals to 0, and it is equals to 0 if x is equals to 0. So whenever you say that the limit exists is nothing but left hand limit and right hand limit. Left hand limit is nothing but it is represented. This function, this exists is nothing but this should be when the limit exists for the function f of x means limit x tends to a minus f of x is equals to limit x tends to a plus f of x is equals to f of a. Then what is mean by a minus is nothing but a का left side values whenever you are substituting. A minus is nothing but not minus a ऊपर minus लिखना है. A का ऊपर minus limit x tends to a इधर minus of f of x is nothing but this is called left hand limit. Left hand limit is nothing but till now what we have substituted just now first example whenever you are taking it to consider what I have taken 0 को near value is nothing but I have taken the value of 0.000001. So on the number line that value is equal to right side. Left side value whenever you are taking into consider that left side value is nothing but minus 0.000001 is a left side near of a or near but left side. So that is represented by this one. And right side of the particular number a Means if it is approaching to the A means इधर से इधर तक आ रहा है, right side. And what is the value of the function value? If this is equals to the f of a, okay, left hand limit and right hand limit, if both are equal, then you can say that limit exists. If left hand limit and right hand limit both equal होगा, okay, so it's equal to f of a, right? Both equal, just if both are equal, then you can say that it is limit exists. So both, whether it is equal or not, in this situation you need to check it. So first you need to know that before that what is the definition of the mod x, modulus of x. How do you define it? Definition of mod x. Mod x, different types of the functions in a functions chapter you are having. Yes. In the functions chapter, no one remember. You are comfortable in English or Hindi also? हिंदी बीच में हिंदी बोलना नहीं, इंग्लिश ओके, लिहाज हिंदी मुझे थोड़ा सा कंफर्ट नहीं है. ओके, हाँ यस.
What happened today? It's a good day, eh? So I have now guys got that.
New students mostly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So I think you are not afraid of corona. Still you are grateful. No problem. Singapore government yesterday told for 2 more years you have to wear mask. So we are inside problem because rules and laws that's it. Someone has to reach there, then he cannot be mask. A child chose to come to school and told another children also have come. But yes.
So in that situation, modulus of x definition, and just one example, because one idea you are going to get it. Exactly what is a left hand limit, right hand limit with the help of this. So modulus of x is equals to, what is that? Oh, 12. Mod x is equals to, definition, do anyone know? You tell me this, what is the value of this one? What is the value of this one?
2 minus
2 only. Positive ion, always positive ion. Okay? So because there is a value. So ये 2 आने के लिए ये inside वाला का number what we are doing? What we are doing to this to make it as a positive?
Sir, minus 1 से
We are multiplying minus 2 this number. If this is negative number, we have to multiply minus. If this is positive number, as it is we need to take. So there is nothing but mod x definition will be given as mod x is equals to x if x is greater than or equals to 0. If mod x is equals to minus x if x is less than 0. You may get the, sir, mod x is nothing but number we get in negative. ये negative or positive you get. This is negative or positive?
Sir, x का value अगर
ये
minus
पहले भी मैं पूछ रही है. In the previous class also I asked this. Whether it is negative or positive means mostly minus दिख रहा है ना तो negative बोलेगा. But ये x, if I take x is equals to minus 2,
then it becomes
Then it will become
it's positive. We cannot say. It depends upon the x variable. Variable. We cannot say exactly it is positive or negative. So normally you may think that when the definition of the mod x is given to you like this, you may think that sir ये negative है ना, हमको तो negative नहीं आएगा, mod x बोले तो positive आना है. You may think like that. ये negative नहीं है, ये positive है, thus x is less than 0, x is negative. So this is the definition of mod x. Okay, now
Sir,
yes.
सर इधर जब हमारा minus 2 mod x mod था, तब सर आपने minus 2 को into किया था के साथ.
हाँ हाँ
तो जब पहले 2 मॉड्यूलस था तो उसका आंसर 2 आया. जब minus 2 मॉड्यूलस है तो हमारा आंसर तो सर 2 आता है. तो उसके लिए हम क्या minus 2 को into करें या फिर minus 1 को into?
minus we have to multiply, minus 1 we have to multiply to the this number, minus we have to multiply to this number, not visible, okay, which is equals to 2. Now coming to the point of this one. What is limit x tends to 0 minus f of x? Okay, before that, 0 minus is nothing but
मतलब left side.
negative numbers. When you take the negative numbers, mod x value क्या है? Mod x value definition when it is less than 0. This meaning what is the meaning of this one? X is negative, only negative, not 0. Near to 0 but left side of 0. This meaning what? Left side of 0. 0 का left side में. Near to 0, left side of 0. It is negative. Suppose instead of 0, if it is given here some other number, suppose if I give it to you 1. 1 if I have given to you, this is 1. The near to 1, left side of 1, positive होता है. Did you get my point here? If I given to you here instead of 0, 1 if I have given, 1 का left side but near to 1. Left side of 1 but near to 1.
0.999.
So that is nothing but it is positive only. Near to 1 I am saying it is positive, but here it is negative in this situation. So negative is nothing but mod x will definition, as per the definition it is going to get it as a minus x. ये minus x होगा by x. Minus x by x is nothing but limit x tends to 0 minus minus 1 होगा. So for any constant limit value will be equals to minus 1. And limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is nothing but limit x tends to 0 plus, what is it? 0 plus is nothing but positive number. So mod x का positive what? What is the positive of mod x? Is when it is positive. X. So x by x you get. So this is x by x. So this value is equals to 1 you are getting. Here minus 1 है, here plus 1. Both are not equal. So limit does not exist at the place of 0. 0 का place में exist नहीं होगा. But if it is taken, limit x tends to 1 if it is taken, exist होगा. Because in both the cases, suppose for this function, limit x tends to 0 does not exist. Limit x tends to 1 exists and it is equals to 1. For this function. So that is the left hand limit and right hand limit concept. Okay? So we'll see the still more one by one we are going to learn it. So in the next class, clearly I'll explain to you. And one thing I can say that